Hello dear students, welcome to my online class, online English class on behalf of Gayavanda Boys High School. Dear students, this is Biplab, this is MD Shaharja Biplab, Assistant Teacher English, Gayavanda Boys High School, Gayavanda. Dear students, today before starting the class, I would like to welcome all the students of our school to my class, especially the students of class 7, because today I am going to discuss a scene passage from the textbook English for today of class 7. So the students of class 7 are especially welcome to today's class. Before this, I'd like to thank our Almighty God who has kept all of us well, even in the coronavirus situations prevailing all over the world. So dear students, let's start our today's class. Before starting the class, you are watching some pictures. You have to say what about the pictures. You have to say what are the pictures about. You have to say. Try to gaze. Okay, you are right. The greenhouses. We are watching some pictures of greenhouses. So, you have already imagined that today we are going to discuss on a topic, that is the greenhouse effect. So, before this, I would like to request you to have or to keep a notebook and pen with you, and you can or you may have the textbook also with you, so that you can answer the questions I will give you. You will try your level best to answer that. I will show you the answers and you have to match this and make your answer correct, matching with my one. So, today the greenhouse effect unit 9 and lesson 3. Dear students, what will be our learning outcome if we go through the text? By the end of the lesson, students will be able to infer the meaning of some keywords, talk about the event, read and understand text, write about greenhouse effect. So this will be our learning outcome. Now, before going through the text, we must learn the meaning of the words, new words or keywords, because it will help us to understand the text very easily. If we don't have any idea regarding the meaning of the new words and keywords, then we will feel difficulty to catch the meaning or to understand the meaning of the text. So, first of all, it is our duty to learn the meaning of some new words from the passage. So, dear students, let's see the vocabulary or word meaning. Greenhouse. What is the meaning of the word greenhouse? A house made with glass to grow vegetables inside it. In the coldest countries, it is made to grow vegetables. That means in the coldest countries, greenhouse is made to grow vegetables. Next word, roof. What is the meaning of the word roof? You are watching an arrow sign on the top of the house. So, The meaning of the word is the covering that forms top of a building. So this is the roof. The house has a sloping roof. Next word, stay. What is the meaning of the word stay? You are watching a picture. That means the old man is saying the dog, stay here. That means the meaning of the word is to remain in the same place or position. To stay in a place. Stay there, Tom. Next word, receipt. You are watching a picture of receiving the rays or blazing from word. That is to take or accept something from others. The word receive means take or accept something from others. Greenhouse receives heat from the sun. Next word is trap. You are watching a rat inside a trap. That is, the meaning of the word is a device or enclosure designed to catch something. The rat is in the trap. Coal. What is the meaning of the word coal? A combustion black rock consisting carbonized plant matters found mainly in mine. Burning coal produces carbon dioxide. Surface. You are watching the surface, the outer part of the earth, outer part of the moon, the outside part of something. How charming the surface of the moon is. Next word, cool down, meaning you are watching that she is cooling herself down by to become cool or releasing heat. She is cooling down herself. You will try your level best to make another sentence that will help you to make sentences, or you will give the idea regarding the structure of other sentences also. Now we have finished learning the word meaning. Now we are going to read the text. Okay, dear students, you are watching the text, so the passage. So I will read and you will observe very minutely, and if can read with me, please. A greenhouse is a house made of glass. It has glass wall and glass roof. People grow vegetables and flowers and other plants in them. A greenhouse stays warm inside, even during winter. During the daylight hours, a greenhouse gets warmer and warmer and stays pretty warm at night too. This is because the heat received from the sun is trapped inside the greenhouse by the glass. The earth is also like a greenhouse. During the day, earth's surface warms up in the sunlight. At night, the surface cools, releasing the heat back into the air. But some of the heat is trapped by gases like carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. These gases, called greenhouse gases, work like the glass walls and the roof and keep the earth warm. This is global warming, and it is making the earth a dangerous planet. Unfortunately, we are making the earth too hot. We are using oil, gas and coal for running cars, buses, trains, planes, power stations and so on. These fuels have carbon in them. These carbon and other gases trap heat in the atmosphere and do not allow the earth to cool down. As a result, the earth gets hotter. Dear students, now we will try to know some synonym and antonyms of the word. For example, one, the antonym cool, calm, hot. Pretty, antonym of the word is disgusting, offensive, and synonym of the word is moderately quiet. Receive, antonym deny, refuse, synonym take, accept. Release, bind, confined, synonym liberate, permit. Dangerous, the antonym of the word is safe, protect, the synonym of the word is perilous and hazardous. Try to memorize this synonym and antonyms because it will be helpful on the part of you to answer the multiple choice question very easily. So now let's see the multiple choice questions and try to answer them. First question is, which word bears the similar meaning of the word stay? Stay. What is the and synonym of the word stay? Remain. And number B, question number B, which word can be replaced with the word pretty? The right answer will be moderately. This is because the heat received from the sun is trapped. Here, trap means, what is the meaning of the word trapped and what is the which word bears the similar meaning? Try to see. Blocked. The similar word of trap is blocked. So this is the right answer. What is the meaning of the phrase warms up? Try to find out and try to identify the word. The right one is be warmer. Warms up means be warmer. The next question is, at night the surface cools, releasing the heat back into the air. Here surface means what is the which word? Which of the four words bear the similar meaning of the word surface? Try to see the right answer. Outside. The word release means, what is the meaning of the word release? That means which one of the four words bear the similar meaning of the word release? The right meaning is discharge. Which word has the opposite meaning of the word stay? Try to answer the question. That means opposite word, not the similar word. So stay means to remain, depart means to go. So this is the right answer. Actually, greenhouse is good for us, bad for us. Absorb CFC, produce CFC. Which one is the right answer? Please watch very deeply. Actually, greenhouse is good for us. Then the next, the anti-word of release is trap. The anti-word of release, anti-word means the opposite word or the antonym. The antonym of release is trap. Who is responsible for global warming? Greenhouse, human beings, CFC or carbon dioxide. Please see the right answer. Actually, human beings are the main culprit behind the global warming. Dear student, though you are given the WS question from another passage, but we may learn some question from this passage also. So now we are going to answer some WS question from the text. Answer the following questions. Follow this and try to answer, please. First question is, what is greenhouse and how does it work? What is greenhouse and how does it work? A greenhouse is a house made of glasses. It has glass walls and glass roof. It receives heat at daylight and keeps inside warmer at night too. Please, you will try to answer by yourself, and then you will watch and try to match the answer with my own. My answer and your answer may be different, but this your answer must be right also. Okay, don't be afraid that you have to write down the answer in the same way. This is not the right way. So next question, question number 2. Why is greenhouse made? What is the purpose of making greenhouse? So first of all, you will try to answer by yourself, and then you will match the answer with my one, and your answer must be different. This is not fact. Okay, dear students, let's see the answer of the question. A greenhouse is made to grow vegetables in the coldest countries. Okay, the next question, question number 3. How can we save the world? The procedure of saving the world. That means try to answer first and then watch my one. Match the answer with your answer. We can save the world by stopping producing CFC. Okay, dear students, question number 4. How does carbon dioxide work? Try to answer and then see my one. Carbon dioxide works like a glass wall and traps the heat from being released. Today's last question is, do you think human beings are mainly responsible for global warming? Why? Why not? If you think human beings are responsible, you have to answer why. And if you think human beings are not responsible, then you have to show the cause. Why not? So you have to be very careful to write down the answer of such kind of questions. Okay, let's see the answer of the question. Yes, I think because by burning fossil fuels, human beings produce carbon dioxide that makes the world warmer. So dear students, we have already learned the word meanings. We have tried our level best to answer the multiple choice questions, and we have also tried our level best to answer some WH question. I hope if you watch the class very deeply, and if you try to answer the questions I have given you, you will be benefited. I strongly believe this, and I hope all of you will be aware of your studies, and you must study in your home very minutely and deeply and attentively. So we are ending our today's class giving you heartiest thanks. So plant more trees and save the earth. Thank you very much. Thank you all.